Baba, look at this girl here. I want her dead.
This girl?
Yes, this girl is troubling me. I want this girl dead.
What is her name?
Her name is Praise.
Praise. You want her dead?
I want her dead, Baba. I want her dead.
Akamado okwa. Okwa ihe si mme ka m ga-emelụ gị. Praise! Praise!
Baba, no need of calling me to appear. I'm already here, so you can do what you want to do.
Eh? Oya. Is she the one?
Yes, Baba. Kill her, Baba.
You are a fool. That's the way get mind enter here. Your sense no tell you say wetin dey inside her pass wetin dey here.
Baba, nothing dey inside her. Only one name she dey call, Jesus.
Why did you mention that name? That's the only name that can save. That's the name of his Savior.